Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And as usual, my people, I have a whole heap of updates to give you. So let's just kick it off with Dancehall Queen Spice. Her legal teams have fired back at her former international spiritual celebrity advisor, RT Boss. Spice lawyers said RT Boss failed to properly serve her and have no proof. The court served her son. His man said, that was a big issue because they claimed that, John Doe and, them took picture of being served and processed. But the geolocation on that leads them to the middle of the highway. So, yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a sentini. She's saying that she acknowledging the lawsuit all nine is still not a way to properly serve them. You see, nevertheless, the lawyer continued to say RT Boss missed several deadlines, including the latest motion that they filed, I think in April or March. I think March, yeah. And that shows that he's not contesting nothing in that. You see, and he has improved how the allegations affected him financially and emotionally. Because, Spice come and say scandal back thing and never man pan her, show and I interview him. So things when people say these pedo type things, them now go on for the business with him. But nevertheless, the lawyer says Spice is not responsible for repeated allegations. You see me, I say, and that's based off of what I just mentioned before. He missed his deadline to properly serve her and all of these stuff. You see, I say, these are the court documents in front of you. You can press pause and read them on yourself. Obviously, it says not authorized copy, but you can spend, I think, like $20 and they remove the red. But me just give you that quick update while I go on for that to go on. Spice legal team has responded to RT Boss. Okay, people, I just want to update you on this situation with Kizzy and Krissie. Krissie has come back again to defend herself about this mockery thing, and I'm not going to lie to you. I'm on Kizzy's side of this because this doesn't look too good, This is so let's hear what she has to say about this whole ordeal and proceed with the next.
I'm so confused. I didn't know what I'm supposed to do. But they come and say, Krissie, come do this. Now come tell power of the media. But they come and say, girl, promote this to me. My sister. United we stand, divided we fall. Come, girl. And me come and put on one wig. Dash on my wig. From my head. And say, I'm slowly healing. Chat, help me. I'm slowly healing. I'm so confused. I'm promoting a song for you. But no, you can't tell lie upon me. You can't tell lie upon me. You don't have the proof or evidence on the recording for so we over here angle you. You go put your wanted on the video for your page. Come, I'm slowly. Tell me say girl come promote my song. But I'm not broke, hold on. You know what? Let me get a free promotion. Me get one free promotion, my sister. Me love you. Come, my sister. Let me get one free promotion on TikTok. Can you do it the wrong way? You do it the wrong way. Let me get a free promotion. Let me get a free promotion, my girl. Let me get a free promotion. I'm so confused. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. I'm slowly healing. But before the box me done kick me up, him knock me out. For 45 minutes. Promote Kizzy's song. Kizzy know what she talking about. I'm slowly healing. Didn't know I was so confused. I heard but I'm not broken. I heard I'm not broken. Come girl. Let me get free promotion. Yeah, my sister, me love me not bring it up on the media. Well, come. Free promotion. How she do it? The probably got this on the media. Hold on, check. I kind of source same way. Hold on. Anybody come on? Anybody have a song right now? Me than the guest box. Me go get Kizzy a free promotion. Me go get a free promotion. If it will come girl. Come moderator. Come moderator. Come moderator. Girl, play Kizzy song, girl. Me go get a free promotion today. Melo Bar, come girl, play the song. We want somebody who have access to the song. You can play the song, girl. You can play the song.
Hold on, let me see. We don't have the song, you know, but I have it on my phone.
And as usual, I'm not buying what these T-listers is selling because for all I know, Kizzy and Krissie can be cahoots together to promote, them song as Krissie said the other day and, their new stardom on social media. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, because a lot of people wasn't seeing the mockery. A lot of people were seeing Krissie defending, Kizzy against Miss Chin, KIPRICH, baby moms. But as you can see, KIPRICH brethren say, Krissie jealous long time and never liked the relationship that Kizzy and KIPRICH had. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. When would this family feud ever end? Right? Anyway, people, I was just giving you these quick updates while I go on for that to go on. So do not forget to check out these next suggested videos that you see on the screen in the meantime. You know what I mean? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.